Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to do, I will told you about mutton lahori karahi. It is a special recipe by Muhammad Athar Imran. First of all, I will told you about the ingredients. I think so all the ingredients are shown here in the screen. Now it comes to the instructions. You have to, first you have to cut all the vegetables, means ginger, coriander, lemon, and green chili. Then you have add all these ingredients in a pan, fill it in a water and pressure it for 15 minutes. Mix, add 1/4 cup water, cook it for almost 1 hour on a low heat. Take out tomato skins. Now add cooked meat in a wok with half cup of oil and cook on high heat. Almost, you have to cook it, you have to add water side by side, and when the water dry, then you have to add some oil. Add 2.5 tablespoon julienne cut ginger and keep staying for 5 to 6 minutes on low heat. In the end, you have to add yogurt and mix it well. Then you have to add green chilies. Now this lahori karahi is ready for cooking. So this is a video. First of all, you have to add water, onion, tomato, all this in a pan. ताकि जब फिर ऑफ कर देना, ये ऑफ कर देना। हाँ। You have to pressure it almost 1 hour. You have to put all these ingredients in a low heat for almost 1 hour. After that, you have to pour it into another kadai, and then you have to take out tomato skins. You have to add cooked meat in a wok with half cup of oil and cook on high heat until almost all water dries. हाँ मेरा दुपट्टा कैसे चले जा रहा है? You cook until it dries, because you have to dry all the water. Now you have to add 2.5 tablespoon julienne cut ginger and keep stirring for 5 to 6 minutes on high heat. Add some oil. Now add yogurt and mix it well. Pour some salt. After that, you have to add green chili and ginger. You have already julienne cut ginger and chilies. Mix it well. You try this recipe, you like it most. Allah Hafiz.